Late night laws banning hard liquor sales and entry to clubs and pubs after 3 a.m. have been ruled valid by the Supreme Court. The government says the decision provides certainty, arguing that the laws have reduced alcohol-related violence by a quarter.
For a bid to prevent late-night violence, it's been a hell of a fight, but finally legal vindication for Labor's late-night code.
That's good news. It means that the certainty that we hope to achieve with the code has been achieved.
A coalition of Hindley Street traders, including Palace owner Tony Tropiano, challenged the validity of the laws, seeking an injunction, but the full court of the Supreme Court unanimously rejected the claim.
Of course, Mr Tropiano had every right to seek judicial review, and I'm sure he'll be glad to have clarification.
He might not be glad the government's pursuing him for costs, but he didn't return calls.
I think some late night traders definitely have been negatively impacted, and they would quite understandably ask why.
But the industry's broadly content with the code.
Generally speaking, people have adapted their business models and it seems to be working well.
The opposition, though, unconvinced.
The jury is still out on whether the code is having the effect that we all hope it will, which is to reduce alcohol-fuelled violence.
Well, they would say that. They've been dragging their feet with this from day one.
The Attorney-General says police and hospital reports suggest a recent 25% drop in violent incidents. The government says those stats don't lie. Either its code is working or it's a remarkable coincidence.
They apparently can be shown all the statistics under the sun and refuse to draw the obvious conclusions.
Tom Richardson, 9 News.